today I'm rushing around like a crazy person because we are going on a bike ride. So I just cooked some sausages to put on some sandwiches, and I've just had a shower. Now I need to put a tiny little bit of makeup on. I'm not that vain. I need to have full on makeup on when I'm going on a bike ride. I need to do something with this hair because I didn't wash it today. Yes, so I'm gonna go because I need to get ready. Come along on our bike ride. It was a lot of fun. We had a picnic and I'm really tired now. It's very hard going. Sorry, look how red I look. I'm eating leftover sweets from the picnic. Where Dave's putting away the bikes. I'm just gonna sit down now and relax, I think. Just to cool down, a little bit hot. I'm all recuperating now after my bike ride, and I've just basically sat on the couch and watched TV and yeah, generally chilled. It's about 4:45 now and Dave's having a little nap, so I think I'm gonna go and sit out there because it's been sunny and I just sat inside and I feel like I'm wasting it when I don't go out. About 10 minutes in the sun, and then the sun went in and a big wasp come, so yeah, hopefully the sun will come back out and then I can go back outside. Yeah, I just realised that that I didn't tell you who we went on the bike ride with this morning. We went on the bike ride with Sam and Ben, who are new friends from New Zealand, and it was so much fun, and they are such a cool, chilled out couple. We had a picnic on a bench, and a table, and it was really, really fun. So I really want an avocado, but I don't know if anybody else gets annoyed like I do. You just don't know if they're going to be done once you open it. Like, it feels quite soft. It also feels like firm as well. I guess we won't know until I open it. Still very frustrating. Avocados are very annoying. Oh, bloody perfect. Winner! Perfect, perfect, perfect. Sausages for his tea, and look how big they are. Oh my god, they're so huge. And they weren't this big when you put them on the tray though, were they?
Nope, got bigger.
They've got bigger. Can you eat all three?
Yep.
With salad. Budapest hotel. Yeah, so I think we're just gonna go to bed now. So I'm gonna call it a night. Bye!